Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to simplify your life, especially if you're living in a smaller space or just want a quick and easy way to whip up a meal. We're talking about the Elite Gourmet Noodle Express Hot Pot. Now, the title itself, Noodle Express, immediately tells you its primary purpose. If you're someone who loves ramen, instant noodles, or any kind of noodle soup, this could be your new best friend. But is it just a one-trick pony, or can it handle more? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the build and design. This is a compact appliance, and that's one of its biggest selling points. It has a 1.25 quart capacity, which is perfect for single servings or perhaps for two people sharing a light meal. The interior is made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. This is a big deal for me. It means it's durable, won't leach anything into your food, and importantly for a heating appliance, it protects the heating element beneath. It's also BPA-free, which is always a plus. The exterior has a cool touch handle, which is a really smart safety feature, and the overall design is sleek and modern, available in a nice gray finish. One of the standout features is its versatility. While it's called the Noodle Express, the brand emphasizes that it's much more than just for noodles. You can use it to cook rice, make soups and stews, boil water for your morning coffee or tea, or even cook eggs. This broadens its appeal significantly, making it a potentially very useful appliance for various needs. The operation is designed to be straightforward. It features an adjustable thermostat with two settings, low for simmering and slow cooking, and high for faster cooking and boiling. This simple control allows you to tailor the heat to whatever you're preparing. The tempered glass lid with a steam vent is another practical addition. It allows you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid, and the vent helps prevent steam from building up excessively. Portability and storage are clearly a priority for this product. Its compact size makes it ideal for dorm rooms, small apartments, offices, or even for taking with you on RV trips. The removable power cord is a thoughtful touch for easy storage and transport. You can simply unplug it, coil the cord, and tuck the appliance away neatly. When it comes to maintenance, the stainless steel interior is advertised as easy to clean. It's important to note that it's recommended for hand washing only, which is fairly standard for many small kitchen appliances. Removing the power cord before cleaning is a necessary step for safety. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the compact size and portability are huge wins for anyone with limited kitchen space. The stainless steel interior is durable and safe for food. The versatility, beyond just noodles, makes it a more valuable appliance. The cool touch handle and removable power cord are practical design elements that enhance user experience and safety. Plus, Elite Gourmet has a long history as a brand, and they back this product with a 1-year warranty, which offers peace of mind. However, there are a few things to consider. The 1.25 quart capacity, while great for singles, might be too small for couples or families. It's definitely a personal-sized cooker. While it's advertised as fast cooking, for larger quantities or thicker stews, it might not be as rapid as a dedicated stove or a larger appliance. The hand wash only instruction, while expected, is still something to keep in mind for daily use. In conclusion, the Elite Gourmet Noodle Express Hot Pot is a well-designed, compact, and versatile appliance that lives up to its promises, especially for its target audience. If you're looking for a simple, efficient way to make instant noodles, soups, or other small meals without a full stove, this is a strong contender. Its durability, safety features, and ease of storage make it a practical choice for many living situations. Link in the description.